Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place. And I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is going to hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. Rocky Balboa. I really do feel like we can learn a lot from nature, and that is to never give up in life, no matter how difficult things get. There is always hope, and there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. I chose this picture for my YouTube page for that reason. If you look at this picture, it is beautiful. The sun represents the light at the end of the tunnel. You can kind of see it, but it's surrounded by the darkness of life. I am a believer, and I believe everything we go through in this life is for a reason. It's all to test us and to make us stronger. But our Creator doesn't make it easy for us, and things around us keep getting worse. I finally realized that at 51 years of age, that I am not alone when it comes to battling anxiety, depression, and health problems. I feel that nature and music are very positive outlets that helps us get through life. I feel like my purpose on this planet is to help inspire people about the healing powers of nature. I am fortunate enough to be able to do this as a job. With that said, I always feel like I can do more. So this is the reason why I started this YouTube channel about a year ago. I really don't care about monetization or getting famous on social media, but if I can change one person's life that lives around the corner or across the world, mission accomplished. Join me for the last video in this series as we walk the Ledges Trail in the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. It's 25 degrees and it's a beautiful winter day. Let's start our hike, and as always, remember to enjoy the day and keep moving forward. Take care, everyone.